I think I can truthfully say that I never imagined the impact that America Makes would have. It has been extremely exciting to see the collaborations take place, to see the advancements in the technology and in the business practices that we've made, and to really see the model come alive.
So we changed the paradigm, I think, about how to solve research problems. We really catalyzed this idea of good public-private partnerships. And while we enabled that through funding of research projects, what's happened, to your point, is the partners are collaborating because they see it's the right thing to do.
America Makes organization, the access to industry, and really the technology readiness levels that we participate in between 4 and 7 really has provided tremendous opportunities for my students, not only in our projects, but in the ability to get some of the best jobs coming out of our school.
Having America Makes in the region probably has had the greatest impact on small manufacturers, companies that never would have been thinking about how they can use additive manufacturing to be more cost effective, to enter new markets, or to just make themselves more competitive. We have a different type of manufacturing going on here today than we did 5 years ago because of America Makes.
So America Makes began around the same time that the Johnson & Johnson 3D Printing Center of Excellence was created. And as a result, we were able to create academic partnerships that I don't believe we would have otherwise, or at least not had done in such an expeditious fashion. Through the project calls, we were able to do things with Notre Dame and with several other universities that have been very positive for us.
Before we were engaged with America Makes, we were doing absolutely no R&D in additive manufacturing. Since being engaged with America Makes over the last 3 years, we have teamed with a number of small companies and large companies, large manufacturing companies, to work together on projects to help develop new technology that promotes the better processing of additive manufacturing.
America Makes was instrumental in forming the Additive Manufacturing Standards Collaborative, this AMSC group, which helped pull together more than 100 experts to define what are the gaps that current standards are not addressing, where should we invest our activity for developing new standards. And this AMSC has been very, very powerful as far as representing kind of the voice of industry.
The impact America Makes has had on the 3D Veterans Program has been tremendous, and their ability to connect us with industry, academia, and different experts in the field of additive manufacturing to allow our veterans to have opportunities in this exciting field.
I think it can't be overstated how big of an impact America Makes has on the rest of the network of institutes. America Makes is the flagship institute that really had to deal with a lot of the challenges of what it means to be a strong public-private partnership, and a lot of the other institutes have applied significant lessons learned that America Makes had to overcome. You know, we're looking at beyond the additive manufacturing industry. We're looking at across the entire manufacturing enterprise in the United States and providing that leadership role.
I certainly hope that we can continue to address the challenges in adoption of the technology such that the technology can be used to improve American productivity.
For my agency, we'll focus on measurement science for additive manufacturing, and there are additive manufacturing experts that America Makes can pull together to address specific needs in that area.
I think what we want to see beyond 5 years is that continuing to convene this network, to continue to drive that member energy that's allowing us to coordinate standards collaboratives. It's allowing us to drive technology and workforce road mapping. But that's not all that we do. It's really the thought leadership and facilitation within the industry that I think is going to continue to be what America Makes provides moving forward.
We're going to continue to do R&D because that's, again, a foundation to what we do, because there's lots of problems that need to get solved. And we're going to continue to try to drive home the value of a public-private collaboration model, because we think it's working, it's worked over the last 5 years, and it's going to work moving forward. We're confident in that.
I think overall, we are very pleased at the impact that America Makes has had. and that we hope that we will continue, and we have plans to expand that and to do, as we say here in Youngstown, when America makes, America works.